bonds, fixed income, and yield curve. Welcome to Fluent Ease English. In this lesson, you'll learn essential financial English words about bonds, fixed income, and the yield curve. Listen carefully, repeat each word, and answer simple questions. At the end, you'll hear a short bond market mini-story, just like real macro news. Relax, listen, repeat, and speak English naturally. Let's begin. Bond, bond, bond. A loan made by an investor to a borrower. Government bonds gained today. What is a bond? A fixed income investment. Fixed income. Fixed income. Fixed income. Investments that provide regular interest payments. Investors moved into fixed income. Why choose fixed income? For stable returns. Yield, yield, yield. The return earned on a bond. Bond yields declined sharply. Are yields rising or falling? They are falling. Coupon, coupon, coupon. The interest payment of a bond. The bond pays a 5% coupon. Is the coupon fixed? Yes, it is fixed. Maturity, maturity, maturity. The date when a bond is repaid. The bond has a 10-year maturity. When does it mature? In 10 years. Treasury bond, treasury bond, treasury bond. A bond issued by the government. Treasury bonds are seen as safe. Why buy treasuries? For safety. Credit risk, credit risk, credit risk. The risk that a borrower cannot repay. Credit risk increased for corporate bonds. Is credit risk high? Yes, for weaker issuers. Duration, duration, duration. A measure of interest rate sensitivity. Long-duration bonds fell sharply. Why did they fall? Rising yields. Yield curve, yield curve, yield curve. A chart showing yields across maturities. The yield curve flattened. What does a flat curve signal? Slower growth. Inversion, inversion, inversion. When short-term yields exceed long-term yields. Yield curve inversion raised recession fears. What does inversion suggest? Recession risk. Bond market and yield curve. Update: investors moved into bonds and other fixed income assets as market uncertainty increased. Falling yields boosted prices, while steady coupon payments attracted defensive buyers. Demand for treasury bonds remained strong despite rising credit risk in corporate debt. Longer duration bonds were more sensitive to rate changes. Meanwhile, the yield curve showed signs of inversion, increasing concerns about future economic growth. Excellent work! You just learned key financial English words about bonds, yields, and the yield curve. These terms help you understand fixed income markets and recession signals clearly. Listen again, repeat often, and build confidence step by step. Subscribe to Fluent Ease English for more clear and practical English lessons. See you in the next video.